In the heart of Yakutia, the cold can reach minus 71 degrees Celsius, where survival is a daily struggle. This is a land where even a single misstep can be fatal.
Yet people here endure, guided by knowledge and courage.
She is 91 years old, a widow, yet unbroken by the cold. Her grandchild learns survival from her every gesture.
With only basic tools, they prepare for the storm ahead.
Their livestock must survive too, for their livelihood depends on it.
Every step, every decision could mean life or death.
Predators are drawn to the herd, sensing weakness.
They're right behind us. We have to move quickly.
They must rely on instincts honed over decades.
They know the danger is real.
Resourcefulness becomes their weapon.
Every move is calculated. Every second matters.
Courage is the only shield in the storm.
Light can be a weapon against the darkness.
The night is long, but hope persists.
Even in peril, care and vigilance are constant.
Even the animals sense the danger and cling to each other.